Hello, today we will make beautiful flower. We start from the magic ring, put the hook under the cross, bring it up and secure it with a one chain. Two more chain to bring up the yarn and work into the ring 15 double crochet. With the first stitch it will be 16 total stitches. For the work I use crochet hook 1.7 and crochet yarn number 3, 50 grams, 140 meters. Continue till you reach 16 stitches. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Ready? Now you can pull short tail and join into the chain 3 right over here, but try to work under 2 loops. Slip stitch. Ready. Now make a petal. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, 2 times yarn over, insert the hook into the same loop and make unfinished treble crochet. 1 and another one also into the same loop. Another unfinished treble crochet. 3 loops on a hook, wrap the yarn, pull through all loops. Ready. Now make 3 chain picot. 3 chain, insert the hook under these 3 loops and make slip stitch. Ready. 1 chain between, again 2 times yarn over, insert the hook into the same loop we were working on and make another unfinished treble crochet, and one more time also into the same loop. Ready. Again 3 loops on a hook, work through all at once and again make 3 chain picot, working under these 3 loops and 1 chain between. Ready. Now make exactly the same way into the next base loop. 2 unfinished treble crochet into the next loop. It also called puff stitch. 2 treble crochet puff stitch. Ready. 3 chain picot, work under these 3 loops, make slip stitch, 1 chain between, and again once more into the same loop we will make 2 unfinished treble crochet to make puff stitch. Ready. 3 chain for picot, under 3, slip stitch. Ready. Now to finish our petal, make 4 chains and make slip stitch into the same loop, into the same double crochet of previous row. Slip stitch. That is our petal. Now to start for the next one, make 2 or 3 slip stitches. I will make 3 and start all over again. 4 chain to bring up the yarn, 2 unfinished treble crochet into the same base loop, now yarn over, work through all loops, and make 3 chain picot. Under this 3 loops. Ready? 1 chain between, another puff stitch into the same base loop. From 2 unfinished treble crochet. Ready? Picot, join, 1 chain, next loop, 2 unfinished treble crochet, three chain picot, under 3 slip stitch, 1 chain between, another 2 unfinished treble crochet goes into the same base loop, 3 chain picot, under this 3 slip stitch, and to complete the second petal make 4 chains, slip stitch into the same base loop. Ready? To make new one, again make 2 or 3 slip stitches and make 2 another petals. We will meet you right over here. I'm done with my 4th petal. I made 3 slip stitch. The 3rd one will go into the very first loop to join. Now we can cut the yarn and hide all the tails. And that's how it look like from the face side and from the wrong side. I also made 2 more flowers from the fine yarn, and I use crochet hook number 1 and crochet yarn 50 meters, 250 50 grams, 250 meters, sorry. Here's 4 petals and here's 5 petals. I skip 2 loops. I made 2 single crochet between the petals. Here I made 3 and here I made 2. That's also beautiful. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video and liked my idea with the flowers. Thank you and bye bye.